How to change FOV and Viewmodel in CS2. Adjusting your FOV and Viewmodel as you wish will improve your CS2 game and boost visual awareness, and I will show you how to easily do that. First step is to access the console, and in case you don't have your CS2 console enabled, simply click on the settings and then go to the game settings, and from there make sure you activated the console. After that, access the console and write the following comments: Viewmodel underline FOV and a number. In my case I put 68, and then Viewmodel underline offset XYZ, and if you want you can copy my settings. If not, feel free to customize your Viewmodel and FOV as you wish, but I'm currently using these settings. When it comes to changing the Viewmodel, using the console comments will provide you with a range of additional possibilities like Viewmodel underline offset XYZ. These comments will allow you to change the Viewmodel's horizontal, vertical and deep settings. Something very important to do if you want to save your Viewmodel and FOV settings each time when you open your CS2 game is to write in console host underline write config, and by doing that you will actually save your Viewmodel and FOV config, so you won't need to change the settings every time you launch your CS2 game. As you can see, after writing it, it will say in console saved user config file, which is the confirmation that it saved our Viewmodel and FOV settings. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it helped you, please share it with your friends so they could also know how to change FOV and Viewmodel in CS2.